During the presidential oath of office in the United States, the president typically placed one hand on a book while taking the oath administered by the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. This book is usually the Bible, though the specific text can vary based on the president's personal faith. For example, John Adams used a law book during his inauguration. Another case is an emergency swearing in abort on an airplane following Kennedy's assassination in 1963. Johnson, president, used a Catholic missal because it was the only religious text available. Donald Trump used two Bibles for his oath, one previously used by Abraham Lincoln, and another given to him by his mother from his childhood. The Chief Justice begins the oath with, "Please raise your right hand and repeat after me," followed by, "I do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States and will to the best of my ability preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States." It typically ends with, "So help me God." Regarding the Chief Justice, besides hearing cases in the Supreme Court, Inauguration Day is one of the few public occasions for John Roberts. The U.S. Constitution does not require the Chief Justice to administer the presidential oath. This tradition was started by President Adams and has continued since. John Roberts was nominated by George Bush in 2005. It's important to note that Roberts does not necessarily align with Trump. In the Supreme Court decisions regarding Trump's business venture, Roberts wrote in favor in a 5-4 decisions, affirming that Trump did not have presidential immunity, allowing New York to proceed with criminal cases against Trump. U.S. law states that judges cannot publicly disclose their political affiliations. Although their nominations often reflect partisan selections, judges are typically categorized as either conservative or liberal. The appointment of a Supreme Court justice, such as Roberts, does not always stem from the judiciary. Roberts studied history in Harvard, followed by law, and began his career as law clerk in the Second Circuit Court of Appeals. He then served as a law clerk at the Supreme Court, worked as an assistant attorney general then, and as a presidential legal advisor. After spending 15 years as a lawyer specializing in Supreme Court cases outside the government, his outstanding legal career led to his appointment by Bush in 2005. Supreme Court justice serves lifetime appointments, allowing them to remain in office until they retire, pass away, or impeached and then removed. This lifetime tenure is designed to ensure judicial independence, enabling justice to make decisions free from political pressure and uninfluenced by any party or group.